first skin color, then you can use some little pink and dark gray, light gray, sorry, dark brown, light brown. So make sure we are creating something realistic with the pencil's color. So how much can possible to make more detailing? So not no need to more places. This is few places enough. The side. So we are going next more, like full body, something full color. But before you uh, need this detailings of small things like eyes, nose, ear, these things. So you can go ahead. Sharin, understood, beta? Sharin? Yes, yes. So small detailings, it is effective.
So is that red or brown?
It's a reddish brown. Yeah, this is reddish brown. It's actually brown, but it's reddish brown. হ্যাঁ বলো হ্যাঁ ওপরে পাঠিয়ে দাও Sharin, sure, Sharin Baba is sure, yes, I hope your father is coming. So make it so we are next 2-3 minutes, okay? Hi sir. Just 2 minutes. So you can create here something line like this. Okay. We are making something little dark set over here, but it's not now. We are oh. So we are going to next ray. So we are just making little bit of outline of, you know, like eyebrow. Okay. I just create here this is here is a aim basically. This lines. No line here. Wow, Sharon, very good. Good clean lines coming. Fine. So we're just creating. Hi Shantushti, good morning. How are you? This is meant here the spaces. Here I just make it okay, this is the eyebrow positions. I do this. We are start the eyebrow next day. Okay, here. We do the next day from this. Okay. Here also little blues, light blues effect we are giving. Light, very light blues. Because it's not correct to white that much. And we can marching then. This is okay. March with a stump. This is fine. But make sure the stump color should be there very clean now. March with this tissue paper or better march with tissue. Normal, like a hard.
Same actually, medium layer.
Medium, how a hard better. Soft चाहिए.
Thank you.
Medium में हमें medium पे hard. Soft चाहिए.
ওটা এনেছে ওর পেপার কোয়ালিটিটা ভালো না
চলে গেছে
আমি দিয়ে দিলাম
এটা ফেলে দিতে পার আমি আগে ফেলে দিতে পারি দিতে আসলে ফেলে দিতে পারি
দাঁড়িয়ে আছে হয়ে গেল বাবা
okay done yeah wow
Sir, can you see?
yeah this is time is over so you can go ahead very nice going Shambhavi just make sure the outline should be very clean. It is coming little this side. I hope so, little straight. So make sure this should be like exactly circle, like a circle.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then looks more nice. Okay. Thank you so much. This is the class is over. So you can continue these things next day. And a happy Dashira.